Hello everyone, how are you today? Are you happy? Are you bored? Are you sad? I hope you're happy today. Okay, shall we start the lesson with the hello song? Are you ready? Everybody stand up and let's sing the hello song. Hands and arms ready, here we go. Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello, hello? Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Stamp, stamp, stamp. Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Stamp, stamp, stamp. Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you sing hello, hello? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Stamp, stamp, stamp. Okay, shall we sing another song now? Let's sing the walking song. Are we ready? Here comes the trumpet. Here we go. Walking, 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 walking. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Running, running, running. Running, running, running. Now let's stop. Now let's stop. Walking, 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 walking. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Running, running, running. Running, running, running. Now let's stop. Now let's stop. Shh. Tip, toe, tip. Toe, tip, toe, tip, toe. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Swimming, 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 swimming. Swimming, swimming, swimming. Now let's sleep. Now let's sleep.
Wake up!
Wake up! It's time to go fast. Are you ready? Here we go. Walking, 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 hop, 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 running, 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 running. Now let's stop, now let's stop. Walking, 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 hop, 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 running, 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 running. Now let's stop, now let's stop. Woo! Wow! Okay, everyone. Now make sure you're standing up for this song. And all you need is one little finger. Here we go. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your head. Head, 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 head. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your nose. Nose, 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 nose. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your chin. Chin, 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 chin. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your arm. Arm, 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 arm. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your leg, 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 leg. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your foot, foot. Put it on your leg, leg. Put it on your arm, arm. Put it on your chin, chin. Put it on your nose, nose. Put it on your head, head. Now let's wave goodbye, goodbye. Okay, I think it's time to wake up Teddy. Are you ready to wake up Teddy? Okay, now remember we have to knock, 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 like that. Are you ready? Can you help at home? Here we go. So, 1, 2, 3. Knock, knock, knock. Silence. Listen. He's sleeping. Can you do that a little bit louder? Here we go. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Knock, knock, knock. He's still asleep. I think we're going to have to wake him up like this. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Teddy Bear. No. Oh dear. I think Teddy Bear's angry. Let's try again. A little bit louder. Here we go. Wake up, Teddy Bear. No, no, no. He's very angry. One more time, very loudly. Here we go. Wake up, Teddy Bear. Teddy Bear, why are you angry? Oh, really? Teddy's very angry. He can't go to school. Oh dear. He's in his house all day. Oh, poor Teddy Bear. Me too. Yeah, me too. But don't be angry, Teddy Bear. You've got to be happy. It's English time. We're going to sing. We're going to dance. We're going to read a story. Come on, Teddy Bear. Smile. Okay, don't worry. I think Teddy Bear is very happy now. Now, Teddy Bear, is someone else in your box? Yes? Oh, who else is in the box? Shall we see? Who else is in my box? Can you remember? Who else is in my box? Hop, hop, hop. Who's that? Who's in my box? It's the Easter Bunny. Hello, Easter Bunny. How are you today? You're well? You're happy? Oh, fantastic. Now, Easter Bunny, is anyone else in my box? Yes? Someone else is in my box? Who is in the box? Or what is in the box? Let's listen. Sit there, Rabbit. There we are. Listen, listen, listen. What's that? There's 1, 2, 3 things in my box. One is blue. One is yellow. And one is pink. What could that be? Eggs! A blue egg, a yellow egg, and a pink egg. Well, there we are. That's a busy box. So we've got Teddy and Rabbit and our 3 eggs. Fantastic. Wow, what a busy box. Okay, let's play a game. Now, I've got my pink egg, I've got my blue egg, and I've got my yellow egg. Now, I'm going to put them on the floor. Can you see my eggs? Okay, so pink egg, yellow egg, blue egg. Now, everybody, close your eyes. Close your eyes, quick, quick. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Have you got your eyes closed? Have you got your eyes closed? Okay, open your eyes. What's missing? What's missing? What egg is missing? We've got pink, we've got yellow. It's the blue egg. Of course it is. It's the blue egg. Okay, let's do that one more time. Everybody, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Are they closed? No peeking. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. What's missing? Got the blue egg. We've got the pink egg. What egg is missing? Which colour of egg is missing? It's the yellow egg, of course. Okay, let's do this one more time. Close your eyes, 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 close your eyes. Are your eyes closed? Don't cheat. I can see you. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. What's missing? Got the blue one. We've got the yellow one. What's missing? What egg's missing here? Which one? It's the, yes, it's the pink egg. Well done. You are very good. You've got a fantastic memory. Well done. Okay, everyone. Now everybody sit down. Shh. Quiet. It's story time. It's story time. Shh. If I were the Easter Bunny. If I were the Easter Bunny, I'd wake up my friends. Wake up, wake up, wake up. If I were the Easter Bunny, I'd fill my Easter basket with chocolate eggs. Yum, yum. And hide them all over the meadow for my friends to find them. One here. Oh, there's one. Look, there's another one. And there's one more. Can you see any? Oh, and there's another one. And oh, there's a red and, a yellow and pink one. If I were the Easter bunny, we'd have a happy hopping competition. Hop, 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 hop. And an Easter egg. An egg and spoon race. Look, oh, oops. This egg's fallen down. Easter bunny is there and chicken is winning. If I were the Easter bunny, we'd make pretty hats. Oh, these hats are lovely. And we'd have an Easter parade. Hooray, hooray. If I were the Easter bunny, I'd have a yummy picnic. Oh, cake, yum, 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 yum. Cupcakes, yum, 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 yum. Sandwiches, fantastic, and biscuits too. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Oh, and at the end of the day, oh, my friends would get Easter eggs, chocolate Easter eggs. But best of all, if I were the Easter bunny, I'd save the very last egg just for me. Yum, 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 yum. Happy Easter. Yum, yum. That was a nice story. I bet you would like a chocolate egg to eat. Yum, yum. Rabbit, I'm sleepy. Are you sleepy? You're very sleepy? Shall we go to sleep? Okay then, let's just go to sleep. But wait a minute, Rabbit. The boys and girls are at home watching. We need to sing a song, don't we? Do you want to sing another song? Yeah? Okay, in this song you need to go down, down, down and go to sleep. And when I say, wake up, little bunnies, you have to stand up. Okay? So everybody down, 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 and go to sleep, and we'll sing the song. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. So, shh, go to sleep. See the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still, are they ill? Wake up, little bunnies, hop, 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 hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, 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 little bunnies, hop, 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 hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, 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 little bunnies, hop, 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 hop. down. Shh, sleeping. Shh. See the bunnies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still. Are they ill? Wake up, little bunnies. Jump, little bunnies, jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, little bunnies, jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, little bunnies, jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, little bunnies, jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. See the bunnies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still. Are they ill? Wake up, little bunnies. Skip, little bunnies, skip, skip, skip. Skip, skip, skip. Skip, skip, skip. Skip, little bunnies, skip, skip, skip. Skip, skip, skip. Skip, little bunny, skip, skip, skip. Skip, skip, skip. Skip, skip, skip. Skip, little bunny, skip, skip, skip. Skip, skip, skip. Now, I think it's time to do some painting. Would you like to do some painting with me? Okay, let's have a look at what we're going to make today. There's the Easter bunny from the story. And look, here's the Easter bunny to paint. And it says Happy Easter. Now, my Easter bunny is yellow. And he's got pink ears. And look, an egg. And a beautiful fluffy tail. So, shall we make the Easter bunny? So, here we go. Here's my Easter bunny, but he's all white. So we need some yellow paint. Let's take the yellow and we're going to colour him in. All yellow. Wow, that's a lot of yellow for a rabbit. Yellow, 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 all the way. So that's my Easter bunny all yellow. Now I think we need some pink for his ears. So let's get the pink out. Pink, 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 pink. And we can colour his ears pink. Oh, there we are. And his nose, pink nose, and his feet as well. There we are. All right, I think I'll make the egg pink as well. Now, is that the Easter bunny finished? No! What's missing is his fluffy tail. What do we need for that? We need some cotton wool. And we're going to stick it on the paper. So I need some glue. And we're going to go like this. We're going to go glue, 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 glue. Stop! Put the lid back on. And we'll get our cotton wool. And we're going to go stick. And that is my Easter bunny finished. Now, if you don't have these sticks at home, you can use yellow paint or just use crayons, okay? So have some fun making these Easter bunnies. So Teddy, I think it's time to say bye-bye. Do you want to say bye-bye to all the boys and girls? Bye-bye, bye-bye. Okay Teddy, let's sing the bye-bye song. Are we ready? my feet. Stamp, 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 stamp. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Stamp, 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 stamp. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Ready for the jump? Goodbye. All right, guys. I'll see you at the next lesson. Bye.